Determine the infinite limit given by the limit as x approaches 3 from the left of x plus 2 over x minus 3. Now, if we want to know what's happening to this graph to the left of 3, then we need to pick x values that are approaching 3, but to the left. So to do that, we can look at maybe 2.5, maybe 2.9, 2.99, and 2.999. Hopefully those will give us some good info. So we use a calculator here to make life easy. We've got 2.5 plus 2 over 2.5 minus 3. Well, this one we can probably do by hand. 2.5 plus 2 is 4.5 over 2.5 minus 3 is negative 0.5. So a positive divided by a negative is a negative, and 4.5 divided by a half, dividing by a half is the same as multiplying by 2. We get negative 9 in the end. Of course, you can always use a calculator, but it is nice sometimes to do a little bit of arithmetic by hand or in your head just to keep those muscles strong. So anyways, let's continue with 2.9. I am going to use a calculator for the rest of these, and all we do is we replace the 2.5s with 2.9s in the expression. And in that case, when we do this, we get negative 49. I'm just typing these into a calculator. If we do 2.99 in a calculator, we get negative 499. And I'm starting to see a pattern here. I hope you are too. If we plug in 2.999, we do in fact get negative 4,999. And if we do one more, just for funsies, we do get negative 49,999. And so we can see as we take x values that are getting closer to 3 from the left, the y values are becoming larger and larger in the negative direction. And what that means is that this limit is going to be equal to negative infinity, because those numbers are getting arbitrarily large in the negative direction. We can add more 9s here, which gives us more 9s there if the pattern continues. These numbers are getting larger and larger in the negative direction, so the limit is negative infinity.